The pluperfect sounds scary, but I promise it isn't. You can think of the pluperfect as expressing things that had happened, sort of like the distant past. Usually when you're talking about the pluperfect, you're talking about something that had happened before something else happened. So the pluperfect is way, way, way in the past, even before the imperfect and the preterite. To conjugate a verb in the pluperfect, you need two things. First, you need a form of the verb haber, and then you need the past participle, or the participio pasado. What makes the pluperfect different from the present perfect that we just learned is that the pluperfect is talking about something that happened very, very far in the past. Also, you'll notice a difference in the conjugations of haber. These are the conjugations of haber when you're using the pluperfect tense. You'll notice that instead of being conjugated in the present tense for present perfect, in the pluperfect tense, haber is conjugated in the imperfect. The second part of the pluperfect is what we call the past participle, o el participio pasado. This past participle is the same as in the present perfect tense. So the AR form is hado, and the ER and IR form are ido. Just like the present perfect tense, hado and ido do not change to match the noun. They're always end in an O. The other thing to remember is that there are irregular past participles, but the good news is they're the same irregular past participles as in the present perfect. Here are two example sentences. Nosotros habíamos preparado el café. Preparado comes from the verb preparar, to prepare. So this is saying we had prepared the coffee. Tú habías vivido en México. You had lived in Mexico. Both of these sentences are implying that something had happened very far in the past. They're also implying that something else happened after the sentence. For example, nosotros habíamos preparado el café, and then you drank it. Or, tú habías vivido en México, you had lived in Mexico, and then you moved.